Hello everyone, welcome back to Soroban Magic. Today we are learning how to set bigger numbers on the abacus 6, 7, 8 and 9. These numbers are special because they all include the top bead. So remember this important rule. When we set 6, 7, 8 and 9, we always start with the top bead. This is 5, right? And then add lower beads. Let's take some examples. 5 plus 1. First we use the top bead down. This is 5, right? Then move one lower bead up. Let's count 5, 6. So the answer is 6, right? Now 5 plus 2. Use the top bead down and then move 2 lower beads up. 1, 2. Let's count 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7, right? Now 5 plus 3. Use the top bead down, then move 3 lower beads up. 1, 2, 3. Let's count 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Now 5 plus 4. Use the top bead down, then move 4 lower beads up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Yeah, you did it. I hope you had fun learning and making numbers on the abacus today. If you have any questions, just write them in the comment box. I will help you. I'm also giving you a worksheet, so please practice at home and become a Soroban superstar. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.